everyone, this is Leslie from Rich Packing. Today I am in Shanghai at the CPHI and PMEC exhibition hall. This is before the show starts. Everything is come into being. Today I'm going to show you how to get to our booth. Follow me. First, we need to pass through the security check. Now we are already in the hall. Follow me. Let's see where we are going. After all your things are cleared up, for example, I just need my ID card and we just swipe go in. Now we have successfully come inside. This is the formal entrance. Actually, it's been a little chilly these days in Shanghai, so I suggest that you can prepare a coat. And here you can see that there are many different exhibition halls here, and very big. And if you are looking for the pharma and the packaging machineries, you should go see this one. And this one is also where we're at. Okay, a little tips. If you want to come straight to our booth, you can just go to that door, N1. And when you go inside, that's exactly where our booth is. But if you want to go to the classic route, you can follow me. Look, everything is all setting up right now. Okay, when you see the subway here, and there is a convenience store, and you go left, okay? Remember, left. Everything is polishing, everything is preparing, and everybody is getting so excited. Ta-da! This is our booth. Remember, orange is our color. If you see orange, it's us Rich Packing. Now come inside, let's see what we have brought to the show. As you can see, we have brought many different kinds of machines here, and we've got professional technicians, professional sales. So it would be better if you bring your own products, so we will come up with a customized solution for you. Okay, see you at Rich Packing. Bye-bye.